Okay, let's try this. You grab the rectangle tool and you draw a rectangle on the canvas. Make sure you are modifying now the fill. The fill is in the foreground in the toolbox. And you will apply a color which you will be creating with the swatches panel. So grab the swatches panel, and while that rectangle is still selected, you ask for a new swatch. We want bright colors, so don't use CMYK colors here. Switch to RGB and create a bright color like this one or anything. A bright color. Okay, let's create the color by clicking OK. And as you see, the color is dull. That's not the color that you just created. Once again, new swatch, RGB mode, in order to have a bright colors palette. And that's not it at all. So that's something I told you about a few days ago. In order to be able to apply bright colors onto your items, you have to go into the File menu of Illustrator and ask here for document color mode and switch to RGB. So it's File menu, document color mode, RGB color. And that way, when you create now a bright color, it will appear bright on your canvas. No problem. Okay, so this time we started with a document for the print. When we were in the new document dialog box, we asked for a print document, and the color mode was set from the start to CMYK, which looks logical, but not so. It's 15 years that you are now able to make documents for print using RGB colors. Adobe and other brands made a system named called a color management system, and you are allowed to use RGB colors in your documents, even if it's for print. Of course, when you will be printing the documents, the colors will change. Well, they will be less saturated. But the same document, the document you made, if you put it on a smartphone or tablet or computer screen, you will have the bright colors you choose from the start. So work that way. If you are creating documents for the print in Illustrator, switch them to RGB color mode by using File, Document Color Mode, RGB color. And in the end, if you want to provide the printer guy a CMYK document, you will do it when you export your document in PDF. You will convert the colors to CMYK while exporting the PDF. There's an output setting in the PDF dialog box, and there you will choose to convert the RGB colors to CMYK. Okay, let's delete our little rectangle